keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning students. Subject ICT. Topic order list in HTML, which is also called number list. Standard 8 by Kriti Chauhan. Till now, we understood about description list or definition list and unordered list, that is also known as bullet list, where description list is used to define the list of terms in HTML page and unordered list is used to list the items where its position is not important, or we can say that no proper specific position is applied. In this video, we will understand about order list where its sequence or position of item is given importance. Just as in school, each class has roll numbers given to the students as it is important to identify them. The order of the list item is specified and cannot change. It is also called as number list. Does HTML order list or number list display elements in numbered format? OL tag is used for order list. The list is defined between open OL tag and close OL tag. We can use order list to represent items either in numerical order format or alphabetical order format, or any format where an order is emphasized. There are 5 types of number bullet. First is numerical bullet, which represents list in number format, that is 1, 2, 3 example. Second is capital Roman number, where the list starts with capital form of Roman values. Second is small Roman numbers, where the list starts with small case, lower case Roman numbers. Capital, then the fourth is capital alphabets, where the sequence starts with the uppercase capital alphabets like capital A, B, C, etc. And the last is fifth, small alphabets, where the sequence or the list starts with a lowercase alphabet like A, B, C, etc. Let us see the structure. Now here your structure starts with open OL tag and ends with close OL tag. In OL tab, in open OL tag, we can see two attributes, type and starts, and each attribute have values. These attributes are optional. We do not use any attribute than the default bullet is numeric bullet, and in start attribute we will define, and here in the start attribute we define the sequence from where the bullet will start its sequence. All the list of items are written between li and close li tag. All the items are written and all the list of items are written between open OL tag and close OL tag. Now let us see the type attribute used in the OL tag. The first type is type equals to numeric 1. Here this is its default type. The list of items are numbered with the numbers. The second is type equals to Roman number capital I. In this type, the list items are numbered with uppercase Roman number. Third type is small I, small Roman number I. In this type, the lists are numbered with the lowercase Roman numbers. Fourth type is equals to capital A. In this type, the list items are numbered with uppercase alphabets, letters. And the fifth type is type equals to small a. In this type, the list items are numbered with the lowercase letters. Here, the format of type and the values are to be written the same it is written on the screen. Now let us see about the start attribute. Now the start attribute comes in 5 categories. The first one is open OL tag type equals to 1, start equals to 5. It will show the numerical value starting with number 5. That means when the list is presented on the screen on the web page, then the sequence will start with the numerical number 5. Similarly, when here in OpenOL tag where the type is equals to capital A and the attribute starts have the value 5, it will show that the capital alphabet case starts with capital E. That means the sequence will be in the capital form, and it will start the sequence from the fifth alphabet, that is E. Now the third is OL type equals to A and the start equals to 5. It will show the lowercase alphabet starting with E. That is, the sequence will have the bullet type small case a, and that list will start the sequence from the fifth position, that is 5, that is E, that is small letter E. OL type. Now the fourth is when the OL type is capital I and the start is 5, it will show the Roman uppercase capital alphabet starting with V, that represents 5 in Roman number. This means when the type is capital I, which is Roman uppercase, and the start is 5, this defines that the Roman case, in the Roman case, the list will represent starts from the fifth position, that is capital V, which represents Roman 5. Now here the last one is OL type equals to small I, starts equals to 5. It shows the Roman case capital Roman lowercase alphabet starting with small v, that is 5 in Roman lowercase. This represents that the list will have the sequence starting from fifth position, that is lowercase 5. Now let us see this example here. You can see the basic HTML structure and design here, and inside the body tag you can see the two kind of OL tag, where there is an open OL tag and close OL tag constructed here. In the first OL tag there is no attribute, and the list open li and close li are listed with items like HTML, Java, JavaScript and SQL. Same. Now when the attribute is not, there are no attributes, then by default the HTML page will use numerical bullets starting from first position, that is 1. Now in the second structure, in the second OL tag you can see we have an attribute like type and start with the values. The start attribute specifies the starting position 5 and its sequence starts from Roman lowercase v, as because the type here has a value Roman small I. Now let us check the output here. Here the first section in the web page shows the result with no attribute. So the default is numerical bullet is up. So defaultly the numerical bullet is applied starting from the first bullet, that is 1. Now in the second section we can see the attributes are specified. In the first attribute, that is type attribute, the value is Roman lowercase I and its starting sequence is number 5, that is the position, that means the sequence of Roman numbers will start from small v, that is number 5 in Roman case. Now student, you can see, student, it is perfectly fine to use any one attribute. If we use only type attribute, then the number bullet will be applied depending upon the value mentioned, which can be type equals to 1 or type equals to capital A, type equals to small a, type equals to Roman small I, or type equals to capital I. And the list will start from the first as no start attribute is specified. So the list will start from the first sequence of depending upon the value in the type. Now if we use only start attribute in the OpenOL tag, the value should be specified, that is from where the sequence will start, and the list will have the numerical bullet by default as no type attribute is specified. That means the sequence will have the bullet starting with numbers, and the sequence will be starting from that number which will be specified in the start attribute as given in the above example. As given in the example, we have used the start attribute equals to 5 and the Roman type equals to Roman I, but here there is no attribute of type, so it will have, the sequence will start from 5, that is 5, and then the list will be then the sequence of the list will go on. Hope students, hope you have understood this example of OL tag. Hope you will try on your own and see the result of the given program. Thank you students. Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote teaching and learning process.